Good morning once again. How are you doing? Good? Okay. Fine. Do well. Okay. Shall we learn? Ready to learn? Okay. What to learn today? Today we will learn English grammar. What is the subject we are going to learn? English grammar. What is the chapter you see? Chapter number 3. Name of the chapter is the noun. We have completed first and second chapters, alphabets and letters, right? Okay, now we will learn the noun. What is noun? Have you heard the name noun? No. Okay, I will teach you. Everything around us has a name. Yes or no? Whatever we find around us, they have a name. All the things around us have a name. People, places, and things have names. We find many people, places, and many things in our surroundings, and all those things have names like Ram, Delhi, duck, apple, pen, pencil, computer, chalk, book, dress, food, mango, etc. All the things around us have a name. Yes or no? Yes, you also have a name. What is your name? Okay. These names, we are going to learn about these names. Okay. Noun, a word has been given here. What is noun? Naming words are called nouns. What is noun? Naming words. I told you that all the places, all the things, and all the animals have name, and those naming words are called nouns. There are two types of nouns. What are they? Common noun and proper noun. What are the two types of nouns? Common noun and proper noun. Okay. We will learn about these two types of nouns. Tell me, what is a noun? Noun is a naming word. What is your name? That is a noun. Your name is a noun. Aditya, Abhishek, Ankit, Aditi, Aradhya, Anya. All these are nouns. They are naming words. Okay. Two types of nouns are there. Common noun, proper noun. Right? Okay, now we will learn about common noun. What is common noun? A word which is spoken commonly is called common noun. What is common noun? A word which is spoken commonly is called common noun. What are those common nouns? Cat, boy, apple, mug, ball, key, tea, book, flower. Likewise, many words are there which are common. All those words are called common nouns. Have you understood? The name of a thing which is common for everything. House, tree, cow, crow, all are common nouns. Okay, next one. We will learn something more about the common noun. Common nouns do not refer to any particular person, place, or thing. Common nouns do not refer to any particular person, place, or thing. Your name, if it is Aditi a common noun? No, it is not a common noun. Is Anugya a common noun? No, it is not a common noun. Is Gorakhpur a common noun? No. Why? Because common nouns do not refer to any particular person, place, or thing. Then what is common noun? All the name for everything commonly. They always begin with small letters. Common nouns always begin with small letters. Okay, see an example: cat, dog, duck, etc. We write these letters, these words, these common nouns with small letters. They begin with small letters. So you have understood the common noun. Common noun is the name of all the things which are common. Okay, your name, your place's name, your red cloth, your long pencil, they are not common nouns, but pencil is a common noun, dress is a common noun. Okay, now we will learn about next one. What is that? Proper noun. What is proper noun? Naming words that are special names of particular persons, places or things are called proper nouns. What are proper nouns? Naming words that are special names of particular persons, places or things are called proper nouns. For example, Rohan, Neha, etc. Rohan and Neha are the names of some person, particular person. I told you, Anugya, Anya, Aditi, Abhishek, Ankur, Maya, Veena, all these are the names of a particular person. So they are naming words. They are proper nouns. Then Gorakhpur, Anand Nagar, Delhi, Kanpur, Lucknow, America, all these are the names of some particular places. So they are also proper nouns. Then the thick book, green shirt. Okay, those, they are also common. They are not common nouns, they are proper nouns because we indicate a particular thing. Then that is a proper noun. Okay. Let us learn something more about the proper noun. Proper nouns always begin with capital letters. Proper nouns always begin with capital letters, but common noun begins with small letters. Okay. Example, Rohan, Neha, Delhi, Ganga, in all these spellings, all these naming words, all these proper nouns, we have to start the first letter in capital. When you write your name, do you write the first letter capital or small? Capital, because that is a proper noun. Whenever we write a proper noun, we have to write the first letter in capital. Okay, but whenever we are writing the common noun, we can use small letter also, no problem, right? Okay, now look at the following sentences and you have to choose the proper noun. Okay, there are some sentences given, you have to choose the proper noun. First sentence, Ishan is my friend. Ishan is my friend. Can you tell me the nouns? Ishan and friend, they are nouns. Which is the proper noun? Very good. Ishan is the proper noun. Why? Because it is the name of a person. Friend is what type of noun? Common noun. Friend is common noun and Ishan is proper noun. Second sentence. Mumbai is a big city. Mumbai is a big city. What are the nouns? Mumbai and city. Mumbai and city are the nouns. Which is the proper noun? Wow, Mumbai. You got it. Very good. Mumbai is the proper noun. Why? Mumbai is the name of a place. It is a proper noun. Third sentence, which is that Meera is a good girl. Meera is a good girl. What are the nouns? Meera and girl. They are naming words. And which is the proper noun? Meera. Very good. Meera is the proper noun. First letter is in capital. But girl is a common noun. First letter is in small. Right? Okay. Shall I give you one more example? Okay. One more example now. Taj Mahal is in Agra. Taj Mahal is in Agra. What are the nouns? Taj Mahal, Taj Mahal and Agra. Tell me, what is a proper noun? Taj Mahal, very good. Taj Mahal is the proper noun. And what about Agra? Agra is also proper noun. Agra is also proper noun because it is the name of a particular place. Okay, right. Now we have come to the end of the chapter. Have a look what we have learned. We have learned that naming words are called nouns. There are two types of nouns. What are they? Common noun and proper noun. And what is common noun? A word which is spoken commonly is called common noun. Example, boy, girl, cat, etc. starting with the small letter. And what is proper noun? A word which points a particular person or thing is called proper noun. Example, Sheila, Meera, Rohan, Delhi, Agra, etc. Okay, so we have completed the chapter number 3. As usual, take care of yourself. Bye.